how to share Spotify song in Instagram story. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. So the first thing is you need to open up your Spotify application on your device. After opening up, you'll be able to see the home page of Spotify. So the first thing is you need to select song which you want to share on your Instagram story. If this is the song that you want to share on your Instagram story, then here you'll be able to see the share option in the bottom corner of the right hand side. You have to simply tap on that. Soon after tapping, you'll be able to see the various options for sharing. You can copy the link, share to Instagram stories, WhatsApp message, and many more. Since we are trying to share to Instagram story, you have to simply tap on stories option in the second. After that, you will be directly opened up to your story where you can adjust this picture and text. And after adjusting, you can go for your stories option in the left bottom corner and your stories will be shared. So by following this simple step, you can share Spotify song in Instagram story. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.